The operation of the TZ's braking system is easier than it looks, and it is quick to get used to. But first, it is necessary to practice a bit and follow the following advice. Before scoring the tile, ensure that the mechanism is in the scoring position. Move the lever forward and returning it to its original position. With this movement, we can see that the connecting rod is just below the positioning slot, and the counterweight is fully forward. Prior to scoring, it is very important to make sure that the mechanism is in the correct position. The scoring wheel should fully lock the pressure pad, thus allowing a smooth score. Once the tile is scored, it is time to set the breaker. The TZ allows us to adjust the position of the breaker assembly and adapt the power of the machine to the thickness of the material. For tiles with thicknesses between 5/8 and 7/32, we will work with the first position. After scoring, lift the breaker lever until you can see and hear the rod entering the first slot of the mechanism. You should then hear a single snap. Then apply the power of the breaker with the lever. If the material has a thickness of less than 5/8, the breaker of the TZ should be used in the second position. As before, after scoring, lift the lever until you see the rod entering the second slot of the mechanism. You should hear twice the characteristic snap of this movement. To break the tile, lower the lever by applying the necessary force. Once the piece is broken, return to the scoring position, moving the lever forward and returning it back to its original position. As you can see, it is easier than it seems, and with a little practice, you can master its perfection. Enjoy your new TZ.